Angular interview questions and answers. What is Angular? Angular is a popular open-source front-end web application framework developed by Google. It is used to build dynamic single-page applications, SPAs, that can run seamlessly on desktop and mobile devices. What are the key features of Angular? Angular is a powerful front-end web application framework that offers several key features, including modular architecture. Angular promotes a modular architecture that organizes the application into reusable and maintainable modules. Modules help in managing dependencies and provide a clear structure to the application. Two-way data binding. Angular provides a two-way data binding feature, allowing automatic synchronization of data between the model, component, and the view. Changes in the view are reflected in the model, and changes in the model update the view. Dependency injection. Angular has a built-in dependency injection system that enables the easy management of dependencies between different components, services, and modules. It promotes loose coupling and improves code reusability and testability. Templates and directives. Angular's template syntax allows developers to define the structure and layout of the UI declaratively. Directives extend HTML with custom behaviors and enable the creation of reusable components and custom attributes. Reactive programming support. Angular embraces reactive programming with the use of RxJS, reactive extensions for JavaScript. It allows developers to manage asynchronous data streams and provides powerful operators for handling events, managing state, and performing complex data transformations. Routing and navigation. Angular provides a robust routing and navigation system for building single-page applications. Developers can define routes, associate them with components, and navigate between different views within the application. Forms handling. Angular offers comprehensive support for handling forms, including template-driven forms and reactive forms. It provides built-in form validation, form controls, and form data binding, making form handling efficient and convenient. Cross-platform development. With Angular, developers can build applications that run seamlessly across multiple platforms, including web browsers, desktops, and mobile devices. Angular supports the development of progressive web apps, PWAs, and provides native app capabilities through technologies like NativeScript and Ionic. Testing support. Angular has excellent support for unit testing and end-to-end testing. It provides tools and utilities like Testbed and Protractor for writing and executing tests, making it easier to ensure the quality and reliability of the application. CLI, Command Line Interface. Angular CLI is a command line tool that simplifies and automates various development tasks. It offers commands for creating new projects, generating components, services, and modules, running tests, and building the application for deployment. These key features make Angular a popular choice for building robust, scalable, and maintainable web applications. It provides developers with a comprehensive toolkit to handle various aspects of application development efficiently. What are the advantages of Angular? Angular offers several advantages that make it a popular choice for web application development. Full-featured framework. Angular is a comprehensive and opinionated framework that provides everything needed to build complex applications. It offers features like data binding, routing, dependency injection, forms handling, and more out of the box, reducing the need for integrating multiple libraries or frameworks. Two-way data binding. Angular's two-way data binding simplifies the synchronization between the model and the view. Modular and maintainable architecture. Angular promotes a modular architecture that helps in organizing the application into reusable and independent modules. Enhanced productivity. Angular provides features like a powerful CLI, code generation, and a rich set of development tools that significantly enhance developer productivity. Large and active community, plus it is cross-platform development. Testability. Angular's architecture and built-in testing tools make it highly testable. It supports unit testing and end-to-end testing, providing tools like testbed and protractor for writing and executing tests. Performance and optimization, plus Angular is backed by Google and has a commitment to long-term support. What are decorators in Angular? Decorators are a design pattern or functions that define how Angular features work. They are used to make prior modifications to a class, service, or filter. Angular supports 4 types of decorators. They are class decorators, property decorators, method decorators, parameter decorators. What are templates in Angular? Angular templates are written with HTML that contains Angular-specific elements and attributes. In combination with the model and controller's information, these templates are further rendered to provide a dynamic view to the user. What are annotations in Angular? Annotations in Angular are used for creating an annotation array. They are the metadata set on the class that is used to reflect the metadata library. What are directives in Angular? Directives are attributes that allow the user to write new HTML syntax specific to their applications. They execute whenever the Angular compiler finds them in the DOM. Angular supports 3 types of directives: component directives, structural directives, attribute directives. What is an O compilation? What are its advantages? The ahead of time, O, compiler converts the Angular HTML and TypeScript code into JavaScript code during the build phase, i.e., before the browser downloads and runs the code. Some of its advantages are as follows: faster rendering, fewer asynchronous requests, smaller Angular framework download size, quick detection of template errors, better security. What are promises and observables in Angular? While both the concepts deal with asynchronous events in Angular, promises handle one such event at a time while observables handle a sequence of events over some time. Promises. They emit a single value at a time. They execute immediately after creation and are not cancelable. They are push errors to the child promises. Observables. They are only executed when subscribed to them using the subscribe method. They emit multiple values over a period of time. They help perform operations like for each, filter, and retry, among others. They deliver errors to the subscribers. When the unsubscribe method is called, the listener stops receiving further values. What is eager and lazy loading? Eager loading is the default module loading strategy. Feature modules under eager loading are loaded before the application starts. This is typically used for small size applications. Lazy loading dynamically loads the feature modules when there's a demand. This makes the application faster. It is used for bigger applications where all the modules are not required at the start of the application. How do you share data between components in Angular? To share data between Angular components, we need Angular services. This service can be injected into any component and will allow the components to share data. What are pipes in Angular? Pipes are simply a function that we can directly apply on any expression/value in a template to transform it into some other value. The value on which we are applying the pipe is the input for our pipe function. The value returned from that function will be replaced in place original value. Sum of built-in pipes in Angular. Uppercase, lowercase, date, currency, JSON, to convert a value or object into JSON formatted string. Types of pipes. Pipes can be classified into pure pipes, impure pipes. A pure pipe is only called when Angular detects a change in the value or the parameters passed to a pipe. An impure pipe is called for every change detection cycle no matter whether the value or parameters changes. What is interpolation? Interpolation is a special syntax that Angular converts into property binding. It's a convenient alternative to property binding. It is represented by double curly braces. The text between the braces is often the name of a component property. Angular replaces that name with the string value of the corresponding component property. What is JIT in Angular? In Angular, JIT stands for Just-in-Time Compilation. It is one of the compilation modes available in Angular to transform TypeScript code into executable JavaScript code that can run in a web browser. Please find the Git repository link in description with complete set of Angular question and Angular tutorial for better practical knowledge. Thanks for watching. Follow my YouTube channel Core Knowledge.